In this presentation, we're going to uncover the differences between self-hosted WordPress websites and static HTML websites. Stay tuned to find out which type of website is faster. There are many ways you can create your website. While WordPress isn't the only content management system, CMS, it's the most popular. A third of all websites run on the WordPress platform, so you can see just how big and massive the WordPress community is. But are self-hosted WordPress sites faster than static HTML sites? Or is it the other way around? First of all, let's dig into why you would want to choose one over the other. Why use WordPress? WordPress is one of the easiest ways for people to get their own websites. You simply need to buy your domain name, sign up with a web host, and install WordPress on the server. Many host companies have a one-click WordPress install feature, so it's really a beginner-friendly CMS. WordPress is great for all types of websites. There are thousands of themes and plugins you can choose from to transform your site into anything you'd like. There are plugins for practically anything you can think of. If you want to speed up your site, there are plugins for that too. The downside to having all these options, though, is that when you don't know what you're doing, you can easily slow down your WordPress site, which is what usually happens in the real world, webmasters unknowingly slowing down their own sites. Why use static HTML websites? Static HTML sites might not be a good fit for everyone. If you're afraid to touch code, then this might not be for you, and you may be better off sticking with WordPress. The good news is that there are now many HTML builders that you can use, which allow you to build static HTML websites without touching a single line of code. These builders help you save time. Many even include pre-built templates, where you only need to swap out the elements you want to change. So, which is faster? There are pros and cons for each type of technology, but from a strictly technical point of view, static HTML sites are generally faster than WordPress sites. You can make WordPress sites load faster too, but you'd have to be technically adept, so you can tweak it and make it run just as fast as a static HTML site.